I'm projecting my own insecurities on my business. Right, I was like,
damn, why you not get mad about that?
I was like, bro, I want something that's a lot more fun. It's like, bro, what the fuck you mean fun?
Yeah,
because you need to be doing the same shit over and over again, really good. That's not fun.
no.
He's like, but that's like what he's like. None of the businesses that I own are fucking fun. He's like, you want to go into tech? You think that sounds fun? I was like, I watch TV. He's like, exactly. You watch fucking TV. He's like, you watch TV. Guess what businesses fail the most? Tech. He's like, so you're telling yourself a story and you aren't like, again, like buying into the work of like doing the same thing over and over and over and over again and just getting really good at that.
Laying the bricks
Where that shit's not fun, but that's the only way. Like, it doesn't have to be fun. I mean, the end result may be fun.
Yeah,
right? Like winning a championship is fun, but no one ever said the process was fun. And right, you lose that. At least I lost that in my mindset.
Well, if the process is fun, then everyone would be doing it. Because if the process is fun, it's like, oh shit, let's build a bunch of these. This is awesome.
Oh, I can make millions.
I can make millions, and I can have fun. Right, no, you can't.
And then you can create a fun culture, but I've been thinking about this, and then you look at it. Most things are a really boring thing over and over and over again. Pure repetition, and you're just really good at it. And then the end result is the fun thing, right? And to where you could, and like fundamentals, right? And we take it down to like discipline and fundamentals. Like if you just master those in your business, in your life, whatever, you do those things consistently, then you'll get the fun after it. Where like we get the end result is fun. Winning a championship is fun. Making millions of dollars is fun.
Bro, having a business is like fucking being fit when you look at it. Like, how do you lose weight? Like right now, like I'm big, bro, but like I know everyone can be fit. You know what I mean? I know what I need to do to lose some weight. You know what I mean? I've done it before.
And I don't want to
do it. I just don't want to do it.
I don't want to do it.
You know, it is not fun. It's not fun waking up early to go on my walk or to go work out. Like it's fucking laying those bricks, dude. Like there's nothing fun about it, but it works. There's a system. There's a system to building out these businesses. It's just the work that you got to do every day. Is it worth it for you? So we can build great businesses. It's equivalent to fucking losing weight. It's doing something consistently, so it's consistent long enough, and then the results of being able to fucking take your shirt off. That's the part that's fun. You know what I mean? So you go to a beach and you can see everybody walking around shirtless, fucking dudes 40 years old, straight yacked.
Shredded.
You know what I mean? But that's because they done laid the bricks for a while, but it ain't been fun. So when you're like, oh man, must be nice, like right picture shit. Oh, it must be nice.
Must be nice.
Oh, fuck yeah, the results are nice. But laying those bricks weren't. You know what I mean? And so that's everything in life. Everyone can be fit. Everyone can have a successful business, but not everyone's willing to lay the bricks.
I don't think everyone can have a successful business.
I do. Because the blueprint's out there. So how couldn't you not? If you laid the bricks, you hired the people you're supposed to hire, fired the people you're supposed to fire, and listen to the people you're supposed to listen to, bro, like there's no reason why everyone couldn't have a successful business, because there's no difference between the person who fucking make billions of dollars and the person who's fucking working a regular ass 9 to 5, maybe making $40,000-$50,000 a year. There's no fucking difference.
There is.
Exposure.
Cognitive ability.
No, I don't believe it. I don't believe that.
So I believe in it, right? Just because like there's Elon Musk and then there's everyone else.
Is who?
Elon Musk. And then there's everybody else. Elon Musk is the only active CEO of 2 separate Fortune 500 companies. Well, I don't know if SpaceX is, but like these are Tesla's $1 billion company. SpaceX is probably $1 billion company as well. Not very many people have the cognitive ability to learn fucking rocket science.
But okay, that's a very specific knowledge.
But
to be fucking rich, bro, like what is rich if you think about it? Like I'm not talking about shitting on people rich. Like everyone can be a fucking millionaire, bro, because it doesn't take much to get there. If you knew what the fuck you were doing or you had the right people around you to show you how to do so.
I think you need to be able to like know how to pivot, know how to lead, have emotional intelligence. Like I do think there are like some things that people lack, and that's why we have personality tests that we give people, because we know they can't do the job.
And when you lack in those traits, what do?
I'll pay someone to go do it for me.
So why can't they pay someone?
I'll pay someone to show me how to do it, or I'll pay someone to go do it for me. But at the same time, I don't know. I just don't see it. Some people are only meant to pack fucking boxes.
I get what you're saying, and that's just based off of a whole lot of other things, right? The way that they're brought up, the people, the things that they've been exposed to, good or bad. I'm just saying in general, anybody can be fit.
Anybody can be
and
fit.
Anybody can be fucking rich. The only difference is desire.
Okay, I'll give you desire, right? Because like the number one most successful people in America are immigrants, right? And like, we can't match their fucking can't match it, bro.
No, you can't.
It's crazy.
And you mix that with learning how to do something, bro. That's success because they already know what hard is, and so laying bricks to them isn't hard. Doing something every day, bro. Like if their family grew up fucking working in farms and stuff like that shit's hard,
right?
Having a sales training every day for fucking an hour, that's not hard.
No, that's not hard.
That's fucking, to them, that may be fun based off of where they came from. So it'll be easy for them to get rich because they're used to, they have habits of stacking bricks.
Well, and Alan, right? Alan is a previous farmer, and all of the previous farmers that I've met are wealthy, right? Because they fucking work.
Their work ethic is fucking insane.
Their work ethic is insane. So like, okay, yeah, we have that. I think it's the want, number one. Okay, yes, everybody may have the ability to become a millionaire. Life-changing money, cognitive ability, I think is where it like somewhat falls off on like your ability to like think and pivot and think at a really high pace and learn new skills at a faster pace. So like as we're starting to like go to new levels, like you're talking about millions and millions, and like, oh shit, I want to make 9 figures, maybe $1 billion. And like this is what I'm trying to do. I do think like majority of the startup founders did go to Harvard.
Did go what?
Harvard.
Oh, probably.
You know what I'm saying? Like I'm saying, like,
and that's something, and that's something up front that you've always wanted that.
What do you mean?
Like, bro, like to do the Teslas and the Amazons of the world. Like those are people who like they've lived their life of like knowing that they were going to do something beyond fucking, having a rental portfolio that makes you a couple $1 million a year. Like these are people who wanted to change the world.
Well, I still think if you can, at a real estate level, you can make a lot of money and you don't have to be smart at all. Like to where there's no barrier to entry. Nobody has any type of education.
Bro, anybody can do this shit.
Anybody can do real estate, bro.
Anybody watching this right now can easily, Mike Zuber says it all the time, go from 1 to 4 units.
Yeah. Like if you just focus on it.
Yeah.
One thing that and we talked about this, right? Like wherever your energy is like focused on, if you're focused on the right thing, like you'll make the amount of money that thing should be making, right? So I'm only focused on a $20,000 a month thing. I'm only going to make $20,000 a month. I'm focused on something that, okay, well, my upside is $1 million a month. Correspondingly, the $1 million a month thing will come and it's the same amount of work, but just like, what are you focused on? Right. So if the people do focus on I think Michael Zuber stuff is so good because it's so easy to digest. And it's like one step at a time.
Anyone who asks me, like,